Hello, hello, hello. We are in a little bit of a rut here, and we could really go for a win. So far, we've played Ecoline once, and we won. So let's see about doing that again. 2 plant production right here. Look at that. But we need 4 energy. But there's 3, 4 energy. We can't do it all in the first turn. But this would take until like turn 3, I think, to get down, eh? We'd have. Well, no, because we'd have steel coming in, which helps with that. I'm just wondering, like, can we grab anything else? Like asteroid mining, industrial microbes, and advanced alloys? Like these 3 cards? That's a great start. But like, let's lean into this whole plant thing. So, you know, how does it work? We play industrial microbes first turn. That doesn't quite leave us with enough for deep well heating. Then we play deep well heating the next. Then maybe peroxide power and Minig field domes. Part of me almost wants... No, we can't play decomposers because you can't put it down. Advanced alloys... Here's the thing. It does profit us. I just don't... I think we can grab it. I just don't know when we can actually play it. Think of it as like $1 per turn because we're going to have 1 steel income. And we could play it, but there's no sense in doing that. So we just pass. It also makes cards like a card that gives you 5 steel as an event for $5. All of a sudden that becomes very potent. Deimos down. Like kelp farming and grass are both great. And convoy from Europa is great. Let's see. We could play this. I think both of these cards are essential enough to the win strat because that's like plants we should be fine. I'm not going to spend the steel. Okay. Excuse me. Excuse me again, please. So, this is $5 of profit. We're sadly watching a lot of our good cards for later on fly by when we have no money for them. But we do this. And we could get that this turn. Or we pay $1. Then we pay $1. And then we have enough anyway. Perfect. So we pay $1. Then we pay $1. And then we don't have enough. What the hell? Matt, what were you thinking? We actually can get it this turn. It just takes us committing to a place where we don't really want to be. We have to grab 2 steel. Which we're going to do here. But now... Oh, baby! We have no energy income. It's turn 3. We have 4 plant income and a little bit of TR. Hell yeah. It's not great. It's really not good. We have five greeneries though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Already lined up. It's just a matter of getting these cards. Only one of them. 4 plants is so good for us, but we really need the other things. Do I want to get 3 heat? No, I'd rather go for this one first. Let's look at the card we got before we commit. Lunar Beam. Let's grab cards. I need to know. Here's the problem is, like, literally, we could go down to -5 income. Which I think is going to help Terraform, but I don't think it's going to get us a win. Do we go through these metals right now? It's almost like we have to play these space cards. Just save up and get big asteroid. There's 8 more production, so technically we make profit on rad suits. Because we want to play big asteroid and the other card. I mean, we'll do rad suits, it's fine. Part of me wants to just greenery to this city, just so we're in this pile of greeneries. I think it's worthwhile. A little bit of TR. Pass. We got 5, 6 plants. Yeah. A little bit more. 6 generation. It was really slow start, but that's good. What I'm looking at is we could lunar beam and then get this. It's 5, right? But we have steel now. Yeah, okay. So our money production is real bad, but we've got some other productions, and then we magnetic field dome. We're making 6 plants a turn, which means next turn we're getting 2 greeneries. Man, we are in a bad we're in a bad way. We're not doing good. I guess we big asteroid next turn because we do basically nothing this turn. We'll grab the subterranean reservoir so we can build up to it. So we go here. We'll keep plowing through these double planters. We have advanced alloys, so I think it's worth playing this now and grabbing the 2 titanium. Okay. Now we're in a bad way. But we're in a not so bad way. We're just in like a mostly bad way. We'll greenery onto Pavis Mons as well. Here's some heat production. A city would do well. So first up is this. It goes here. The reason the city's an alright pickup is because you're not going to like this, but because we're going to get a bunch of steel from Deimos down. And then what's this? Enough for Deimos? Close, right? 4 times 4 is 16, 27? We could get Cupola this turn and not use up the steel from that. We could also import GHG, which gives us 1 heat bump. Yeah, I think we do that. And then we can also do this. And we'll do Cupola. I think that worked out quite well. Oh yeah, I forgot that our steel was worth extra. Despite like just talking about it. And we're going for plants over points. Really gonna need to fill out this with water real quick, but now we've got lots of plants coming in. So our problem is just the other 3 metrics. Research outpost is good. And urbanized area is good. And we can still do Deimos down. Gives us a little bit of heat production. We can buy this? Oh yeah, what do you know? I don't know where it's good at. Here? No. Over here, just to have access to all this green? That's what I'm kind of thinking. Oh, there's no sense building it this turn because it gives us no actual immediate value. So let's just put it here. Because it's -1 on cards, but may as well wait for another steal and then play it next turn because we're not playing any cards between now and then, so ain't no rush. Oh, we don't have any energy is my problem. But I like it. I like this. I kind of like Underground City, but it's kind of like also way too late. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That puts us up to 7. It's pretty good. 6 steel. Yeah, I think it's good to be here. Then I like the idea of like getting as many oceans down as possible. Here. I'm gonna do it here and here for a second. Trust me. Because that gives us 2 greeneries. And we don't give up on any potential money back from things. We go here. Place that there. So we're going to build out this bottom row. And we're still going to greenery up here. That actually leaves us with enough, eh? Enough for the heat bump. Where's a good spot for it then? Here? I'm just looking like this is obviously a city spot. That's a city spot. How many oceans? 1, 2, 3, 4. Like there's plenty of ocean potential left. With $4 more, we don't have enough to play Black Polar Dust. Just gonna go up here for the steel and the money. We still have 7 for next turn, so. That was big though. We have 41 TR. We have like, as far as Generation 11 goes, we've done a lot of actual terraforming. We don't have energy, bro. We do not have energy. I repeat. None. None energy. I'm going to play the huge expensive card that really isn't valuable unless you're going for the animals, but I like 5 plants because for me 5 plants is more money. Where I come from. Because you just throw it down here. Boom! You're rich. Mining rights. Or Black Polar Dust, I think, is actually the one that's coming in. It puts us at an even 8 heat. That's 3 bumps. 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh. And we have enough for mining rights, which we're going to play for titanium. May as well, I guess. It's the most value we can get out of it. Unless we want to just grab double up steals. Honestly, no, we need the space events to bail us out on this heat thing. Giant ice asteroid in particular would be like phenomenal. Well, we'd overdo one ocean, but I think it would do us well. Not good. This is good. Man, we have not seen energy cards. Like, Beam from Thorium Asteroid is like the only one. And I don't even see a place to urbanize an area. I mean, I guess I'll grab the card in case it comes down to it. The big question for me is, do I buy an ocean? Do I buy 2 heat bumps? What do I buy? What's good for purchasing? I think we want to purchase the ocean. We're going to put it here, despite me liking that spot. And then we'll put this here. And then we'll put this here. And we're just maximizing money back. So we know, I mean, we're Ecoline. So we know we're going to do well. I mean, I'm going to buy a heat bump. We know we need it. So it doesn't hurt us to do it and get 1 income. I thought we were on generation 13 already, but we're actually only going into 13. Seems to me like we're ahead of the curve. How many energy types do we have? We have lots. But we could just do Beam from Thorium Asteroid. Do that. Sure thing, boss. Let's get this. Oh, we can't play Beam from a Thorium Asteroid. I'm an idiot because we don't have a Jovian. I just noticed. Man, I feel like I'm going insane. In La Membrane. And we have 3 science tags. Well, let's buy a heat bump. And we'll buy another heat bump. How about that? How does that make you feel? I mean, pretty alright, I'd assume. Pretty alright. And then we pass for next turn. 56 is decent production. We have 8 heat. We need 3 bumps. I mean, it's clear to me that building a city for 10 at -2 points is pretty good deal. Let's do the heat bumps here before anyone gets freaked out. Yep. There it is. Then we greenery here. Then we build this for a point. Can't get up to 25 or anything, can we? For 4 points here. I mean, I don't see it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It brings us up to 19. Oh, we can buy a card. That's 2 points. I will take 2 points over 1 point. I mean, I think it will. And I genuinely am not sure yet. I have to do math because the greenery technically could be worth more. um, 6 and 4 is 10. 11. 12 does not get us to 14, so we play this for 2 points. Good stuff. I hope you enjoyed playing Terraforming Mars Solo Challenge on easy mode. We have a city here that isn't fully enclosed, so we'll go right there. And then we pass it away. Pass it away. Now, we only have 2 points on cards, but cities, yo. Imagine 4 more points in here, too. 93. Not a great score, but a big win. So Ecoline is just good. Surprise. Ecoline, you're gonna terraform the planet very consistently every time, and have a pretty good time doing it. And that was with a really slow start too. I feel like there was a few cards that we could have gotten that would have really accelerated that start, but alas, we did all right. I had a good time. I hope you did too. I'll see you in the next one.